Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we're going to be testing out this eyeshadow palette. This is from Amazon. It's called Color Natural. It's got a capital C and a little c, but they're kind of together, so I think it's just color. And it says Matte Naturals, and it was $10. That's what I wanted to tell you. It's a $10 palette, and the colors look amazing. So this is what it looks like. It's like a 10 thing, so it's not, you know, not a high dollar case, but it does have a little mirror in there. And these are the colors. Let me get. Let's see. See, they're very pretty colors. It's got like 3 kind of highlighty colors or correction colors, maybe. I don't know. These are matte powders. So this, and that's that green one. So it has a slightest, I don't even know if you'll be able to see it because I'm using a green screen, so it may take the green out, but it is just the slightest lime green. That this one down here, and this one is pink, and this one is peach. And then all these nude shadows. Now the shadow palettes are really small, so if you're not someone like me that buys a million palettes all the time and has way too many, you might not, it may not be such a great deal unless you plan on using these 3 as shadows also, which is what I plan to do. So anyways, that's what we're testing today. So let's get to the makeup. And we're not testing any foundation because I didn't have any foundation, so we're just going to do a quick layer of base. So I'm going to put some primer on. This is my Tarte Base Tape Primer. I am getting my hair done today. Thank goodness, right? We're going to use my NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I got to pull my sleeves up or I will get it on my sleeves. It's still cold, but I think it's going to be like 65 today. I'm going to use my brush that I got from QVC with my Cloud Coverage Foundation from Tarte. And I know this is super reflective, but I'm going to powder it so it won't be this reflective. Afraid I'm going to get it on this sweatshirt. And just tap it down. That also takes down quite a bit of the shine because I'm sure it's picking up a lot of the excess. Okay, let's go in with our concealer. And I'm in a hurry, so we're not trying anything new. We're going to use our good old Pat McGrath Standby. All right, let's powder so that we can get on to the real makeup. Using my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. And I am going to go ahead and set that concealer, even though we're going to be putting powder shadow. I just like for it to have a nice, smooth, already set base so that it gets a fair blending trial. Okay, let's go in with, I really liked this BAREMINERALS that I used the other day. It was very subtle, and that's what we're going to use today. This is the BAREMINERALS Invisible Bronze in Fair to Light. I think I used this brush. Just to get a little bit of color. And now we're going to go in with, I think I'm just going to use what's on my brush of my blush, and this is the Dallas Benefit. I know I'm not showing it to you, but this is what it looks like, but that's what I always use this brush for. So there's already some in there, and I just wanted just a little. Then we're going to go in with our Dandelion highlight. And, oh, Dandelion. This is from Benefit too. Just put a tiny bit. I know it looks like more than a tiny bit, but I'm putting it on really lightly. So when I smooth it out, it's mostly going to be gone. So I'll take this and blend it. And as you can see, it's almost gone. Just a little bit. All right, now we're going to go into our eye palette. I think I'm going to try a little bit of this peachy. This is for redness. Green is for redness. Maybe I'll try a little bit of that down there. I'll just grab a fluffy brush and go in with a little bit of this green powder right here. Tap it off and just kind of put it on this redness right here. Let's see what it does. What do you think? Did it help? Let's do the other one. I always get it right there, a red spot. I think it helped a little. Okay, so now we're going to go into, I think I'm going to go into the peach and put that all over my lid. I should have used this to set my lid with, but I already used my translucent. But we're just going to do this to kind of give it a nice even tone. So far, so good. All right, now I'm gonna go into this lightest color right here. I don't think they have names. And I'm just going to, this one right here. Tap it off, and I'm gonna put this in the crease. I like it. I'm going to pull it up a little bit higher so that I can try another color in the crease too. It's very powdery though. It is having a lot. I'm not seeing it fall out, but I got a lot of dust in the pan where I got it. So just FYI. And this is kind of like a milk, like a chocolate milk color. With a kind of a cool tone to it, but it's pretty. All right, let's go into this next one up. This one right here. Where am I? Right here. I'm gonna put this one in the crease just to see what it is. Yeah, this one's a warmer tone. So I am going to just put it in the crease, just straight in the crease. I think it's pretty. All right, now let's go in with a darker one. Let's go in with this one right here. And put this in the outer V. This brush is a little big for the outer V. Maybe we'll just put it on the outer portion of the lid. Because I seem to be stuck in this brush. It's blending really nicely. I'm feeling stuffy again, and it's not sickness, it's just allergies. I'm allergic to makeup, I think, huh? All right, I think that's all I'm gonna do with the shadow. What do you think? I'm gonna take my little guy right here, see if we can get a nice line. I don't really want to use concealer, I just want to clean off some of that. Give us a nice lift. That's it for that. I'm liking it. I'm giving it a thumbs up. I think it, well, I do see fallout now. Okay, there was a lot of fallout. I just wasn't paying attention. So we'll just go like this. Get rid of any sitting on top. Oh, it just came right off though. It still looks good. Maybe it was in that sponge. All right, we're gonna put some liner on. I'm just gonna use my Maybelline Tattoo Gel Pencil. And then I'm gonna smudge it. And then I just go back and forth with a flat brush and kind of pull up a little bit on the outer corner to get a little bit of lift. Okay, now I'm gonna do my brows, lips, and we're done. I'm gonna use my little Wet n Wild thing too again, because I liked that. And I know I haven't ordered it yet. It's still sitting in my cart because I just haven't had time. And this pretty little eyebrow brush, this clear one, is e.l.f. And I'm pretty sure you can get it pretty much anywhere they sell e.l.f., which is pretty much everywhere these days. So what do we have left? Lips, that's it. And we're going to get our more fallout. This is from the brows. I'm not going to put any underneath today. I just didn't. And this liner keeps transferring right in the inner corner, which is what it does. And I've got glue all over my hands. Okay, lips. What shall we do? You know what I want to do is just a lip gloss thing situation. I really like the City Beauty one. The clear one though is downstairs because I was going to put it on every night, and I don't even think about it. I put the Laneige on every night. Let's just put the Laneige on. I love this one. There we go. That's the Laneige lip mask. Smells like juicy fruit gum. That's it. We're done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm definitely giving this a thumbs up for 10 bucks. I love the way it blended and everything. It's really nice. And you could use these 3 big palettes definitely for like the inside, which I didn't put anything in there because I started off with that, but they're pretty. Put a little bit of your highlight on there. That Benefit Dallas, I use that all the time. Anyways, I'm giving it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Boy, I'm just falling apart right now. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for watching my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!